Welcome back to my channel friends, The Machine Brain. Today we are going to studying what is data warehousing and the characteristics of data warehouse. Okay, first, what is data housing? Let us look into the definition of the data warehouse. The practice of collecting data from wide range of sources within a company into a single data type. Single into a single data that may be used to guide management decisions. Used to guide management decisions like reporting, OLAP analysis, and data mining. It is also called as, it is considered as a core component of business intelligence. Let us check what's the process of ETL tool. The ETL tool stands for extract, transform, and loading. It extracts the data from the wide range of sources and then transform into the stage area and then to load into the ETL tool is the process. Here the main commonly used ETL tools are Hevo, Sybase, Oracle Warehouse, Warehouse Builder, Clever ETL, and MarkLogic, etc. And then it's loaded into the data warehouse. Here the most commonly used data warehouses are Firebolt, Snowflake, Redshift, etc. Here it's transform the data to the data warehouse, and here it's load. It contains three steps. First, it's extract the data, and then it's by using the ETL tools like Hevo, Sybase, Oracle Warehouse Builder, Clever ETL, and MarkLogic, and then it will load into the data warehouse like Firebolt, Snowflake, etc. After that, these data which are loaded into the data warehouse, and it useful for OLAP analysis, reporting, and data mining process. Next, we'll check what are the characteristics involved in data warehouse. There are 4 characteristics: integrated, non-volatile, time variant, and subject oriented. First, we will see the integrated. Here, integrate implies the establishment of a standard unit of measure for all equivalence data from the different databases. Here, what you are collecting from the different databases, that you are collecting data from different databases, and you are integrating into single database. That is, you are integrating into the data warehouse. And this data warehouse is created by combining data from various sources like relational database, mainframes, flat files, etc. And this integration helps in effective analysis of data. It will analysis effectively. Okay. Then next, non-volatile. The data living in the data warehouse is permanent. What the data involved in data warehouse, that is permanent. That means that is determined by its name, and it includes that the information in the data warehouse can't be deleted or whereas when the data is incorporated in it. Here the data in data warehouse we cannot modify, like we cannot delete or erase the data, and whereas we can do two kinds of data operations like that are accomplished in a data warehouse, that is data loading and data access. Remaining we cannot do that, like modifying, adding data, that we cannot do in data warehouse. And then third, time variant. In this, data is maintained at the various intervals of time like weekly, monthly, annually, etc. It establishes different times which are structured between the enormous data set and held in OLAP. We can use past data from weeks, months, annually, etc. And then last, subject oriented. Being this data warehouse is subject oriented, that data warehouse provides the information regarding a teams rather than organizing existing operations. These teams can be marketing, sales, distributions, etc. And it also provides an easy and clear demonstration around a particular theme by deleting data that is not needed to make decisions. That is this subject oriented. It uses only a particular data file, for example CRM or ERP, flat files, etc. It uses only a particular data files. It cannot combine into all the data files. It's only use only a particular data that is useful for. This is all about the characteristics and the process of data warehousing. From next we'll see the components of data warehousing. Thank you.